That we have not heard from. Checking with him in the Black Widow Jeep to see if he's going to make the second pass. We never want to assume anything. If there's an issue in the first round, you never know. Guys, once again, let us know if you will not be making your second pass. Kirby? Out.
That would have been horribly for everybody else.
So here's what we have from Scott Sweat, Ryan Smith in the Smut, Doug Johnson with the Black Widow Jeep is still on the list. We haven't heard from. All right, Black Widow.